how to assemble our ProFlex monitor and laptop mount. Connect the clamp L bracket to the base using the provided bolts and tighten them until secure. Peel off the backing from the adhesive pad and stick it onto the installed clamp L bracket as shown. For desks with a thickness of 0.39 inches to 2.28 inches, place the clamp screw assembly on the upper 4 bolt holes. For 2.28 inches to 3.35 inches, place it on the lower ones. Tighten all 4 bolts until secure. Partially install the clamp bolts to the clamp screw assembly. Then place the clamping plate onto the tips of the bolts. Slide the clamp fully over the desk and tighten both bolts until secure using the hex wrench. Grommet mounting option. Connect the grommet plate to the base using the provided bolts and tighten until secure. Peel off the backing from the adhesive pad and stick it onto the installed grommet plate as shown. Insert one of the grommet bolts through the center of the clamping plate. Place the base over the grommet hole and attach the grommet bolt and clamping plate from underneath the desk and tighten until secure. Twist the threaded end of the pole into the base until it is fully tightened, then tighten the set screws on the base. Loosen the set screws on the upper collar and remove it. Then loosen the set screws on the lower collar and slide it up or down the pole to the desired height, then retighten. Slide the lower arm onto the pole until it rests on the collar, then partially tighten the set screw. Slide the upper collar back onto the pole, adjust it to the desired height, then tighten the set screws. Install the next lower arm onto this collar. Place the spring arms onto the end of the lower arms, then partially tighten the set screws. Connect the Visa head to the end of the spring arm using the connecting washer and bolt as shown. Tighten until secure using the hex wrench. Remove the thumb screw from the back of the Visa head. Pull the Visa plate up and away to remove it. Attach the plate to the back of the laptop tray using the bolts and the washers. Hang the laptop tray onto the end of the mount arm and reinstall the thumb screw to secure it to the arm. Pull the side arms on the tray apart, then insert the laptop into position on the tray. For mounting a monitor, select the appropriate size mounting bolt and washer for your display's mounting holes and verify the length of the Visa bolt is not too long. Secure the Visa plate to the monitor using the selected bolts, then hang the monitors onto the Visa mounts. If necessary, adjust the gas spring tension to balance your laptop or monitor. Position the arm horizontally. If it drops, increase tension. If it rises, decrease tension. To adjust, lift the arm to access the tension bolt and use the provided hex wrench. Rotate counterclockwise or to the plus sign for heavier devices, or clockwise to the minus sign for lighter ones until the arm stays in place. Remove the cable management covers by sliding them up parallel to the arms, then pull them away. Route cables and reinstall the covers. Attach the clamp cover to the rear of the clamp to utilize the cable management clips and to store the hex wrenches. If necessary, tilt the laptop tray to your desired viewing angle. If the laptop tray does not stay in that position after adjustment, tighten the bolts on the side of the joint shown here using the hex wrench.